Hello, this is a brief tutorial on how to use your community's draft plan review page. The entire draft plan is provided on these pages for your review. For your convenience, the plan has been broken into its component sections and topics so that you can review all of them, or if you are interested in only a few specific topics, you can select those topics that you want to review and provide feedback on. To do so, simply scroll through and select the topic that you are interested in on the images. You can also get there by viewing the sidebar and selecting the topics that you are interested in providing feedback. When you go to the individual topic pages, that section is embedded for your viewing. You can click on the Open button to be able to zoom in more closely on the text. And when you are ready to provide feedback on that section, simply scroll down to the input form where you enter your email address, click Next. You will then be asked a couple specific questions about the section and then be provided with open-ended feedback opportunity where you can give us any comments or review suggestions that you would like. When you're ready to review another section, simply select one on the sidebar that you are interested in. Or of course, you can always go back to the main review menu to select through the images. If you'd like to download the complete file, you can do so on the review menu page by clicking on the download the file link. If you'd like to translate that file into other languages, you can do so by clicking on this link to a translation service web page where you can simply drop that file into that page for translation. Please note, if you do download a copy of the file, please be sure to provide your input through the forms that are provided on this website. Thank you so much, and we look forward to receiving your review comments.